Hi, welcome to back my channel VGR tutorial point. Today topic is the networking attack is the 6 types of networking attacks mostly used in the hackers and they stolen your data. What are the attacks or networking attacks? Mainly 6 types. One is the DDoS and networking spoofing and rootkitting and this DDoS, networking spoofing, Botnet, MIM, this all are 6 types of networking attacks are there. You can let us go to our video on screen. What are these attacks? How it is attacks? Now I will explain in depth and very easy method and very short as possible as I will tell you. And if you this video is very informative, watch that still the end. If you really watch that real this video, you can gain some knowledge of the how many types of networking attacks and what are there and how to protect yourself. The if you this information is worthwhile and valuable your growth, you can trust, you can also identify. After that, you decide to subscribe our VGR tutorial point and VGR tutorial point, share and like and comment your friends and relatives also. Thanking you once again, your VGR tutorial. Let us go to the screen. Hi, welcome to back everyone. My channel Vijay Tutorial. Today topic is the networking attack. The 6 types attacks mainly use this attacking. This is the DDoS and the attacking in the one server with multiple ports from the different location. This is the one type of attack. The victim is this multiple location attack and DNS spoofing. The DNS spoofing is the request resolve for fake server and this real server, this one, the MITM. I am directly taking S2 server. I am response to client only. They both did not know that I am listening to their traffic. It is the MITM, the rootkit. This backdoor ident system. This is the rootkit had the slaves in some other process open user long their active them solo and open backdoor to the attackers. The botnets. The bot master and the bot master is infected server with the malware and creating network of server to the infected PCs also. This is the bot nodes. IP spoofing another type of attack. This is the one side is the user is there, another side middle one is the hacker is there. This computer symbol and the actor the hacker. You observe this same photo I will fix in this 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The another photo. This is the hacker. This is the main. It is the user and the okay. I will note that an ARP catch. The okay. I will note that in ARP catch this way. The example this attack is the ARP proofing. It is happens the LAN where IP to name ratio to perform. These types of attacks is nowadays mostly utilized the hackers in the our data stolen, industrial data, education data, personal data. That's why you can protect yourself the some recommended Microsoft recommended antiviruses and malware protection softwares are available. Now I will tell this before video also. That video is the I will pin this video. You observe this the both videos. Thank you once again your VGR tutorial point.